I'm having a hard time understanding the best way to pull this out. And then I'll shoot people on over there. But I ask it once we get over there to remove the referral raid and refresh. You're welcome back here. Leave a lurk there, leave a lurk here. Here a lurk, there a lurk, everywhere a lurk. Old McJourney had a stream. EI feckin' O. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. The test here. RCB, I do that. Yeah, do. Why so tiny? Whoa.
Give me 5G.
Yeah, like let's all yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right, catch you later. All right, yeah, this is a fun game.
That'd be funny if Fendo wants to join.
Guess what? I'm gonna chase with the chainsaw. Yay! The claw. So, for raiders coming in, those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer. I'm also an aspiring game developer doing stuff like this, like what you're looking at now. 1 sec. And I'm putting chat and putting myself into a game. So everything that you see here is a game engine running my stream. Crabs. I'm crabs. Let's see here. And let's check something. Ooh. And I'm going to do a really quick. Thank you for the comment.
Here also, y'all, is a nice little look at the ant head, and that yellow is
Got it. My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Well, ordinarily he looks a little bit more frightening than this, but I was playing around with making him fuzzy. That didn't work. You're first. You're first. You're not the worst. is when I want to make shorts. If I wanna try and, you know, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. Like if I can I do this? Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
The OG Jesus. Yeah. Mm-mm. I've made life. I've made it weird. Just a little weird. All right, let's un. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I gonna poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. Hello, Captain Krabs. Welcome in. Munglo, welcome in. Thank you for being first, Captain Krabs. Thank you for claiming that coveted coin. That really doesn't get you much, but still, it means I appreciate you. Just getting a couple tickets in here. Can you say ticket? I can. I don't know why I went Mr. Rogers there, but I did. Yeah. All right. So I had some agents running through some stuff that I started off this morning, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think maybe. I haven't checked. So I'm going to do that now, and y'all are going to be with me the first time I check. Anyway, Captain Krabs, how are things? Hold on. Steam. Find it. It found it. Steam page is live. Look at it. Ooh. There's a video now. There's a video now. Hold on. Let me get this way too chill music. Wow. Oh, did you make that rat? Mr. Dr. Captain Krabs? Did you make that rat? Where'd you get that rat? Let's see if I can find slightly less chill hop. Do, 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 do. I don't know where you got the music. I could have done the music for you. See? See? It's the chill hop energy. All right. Okay. Now it's time to check out what the style guide gave me here. And something's wrong there. Something is really wrong with this all around. It's not what it's supposed to look like. It didn't. Okay. Everything's still good there. Game dev games. Why? What is the difference here? It's G-based mockup. CreatorApp based mockup. Okay, so it had some stuff that got a little bit wonky in there. Okay. Oh, good God. So does that mean that there are some, oh, did it mess up all the things? I don't want it to have messed up all the things. You didn't let it mess up all the things, did you? Close you for now, I hope. Close you. Let's check. Oh. Okay, shrink you down, shrinky dink. No, that's not really. I'm not really seeing the nav bar here. What the hell? Well, now I'm just upset. Unless it did like some JavaScripty stuff. Did it toss in some JS? It shouldn't have.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in, Mike. Welcome in, Triple B. How you doing? How you doing? How was the rest of your stream? Did you get some power tools going? I had to leave when you went out for a walk because I had to get back to work. They didn't take my resignation when I said that I flipping the table. I'm out. Slow ride. Take it easy. There. Slow ride. Just for you. What'd you get up to? Did you make any cool power tools? Did you make anything that you want to show off? Anything at all? Please feel free, as always. Cody, welcome in. Who else we got? I Rawsome 1, welcome in. First time. So I'm just getting started here. But for those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I am a professional web developer doing Drupal. Usually on stream, I do game dev, but I'm currently working on a new platform, a new project, called CreoDrop. And it is not spun up just yet, but it is a hosting platform for spinning up Drupal sites quickly. Let me do a thing here. So recently, we got some building to do here. This might take a little bit of time. But recently we did Drupal released Drupal CMS. It also released Drupal Canvas. And what that means to people who may not know or may not care. Oh, this is going to take forever because I've got to, why am I rebuilding the entire image? Doing it live. And of course, everything's going to break, but do it live. Okay, I didn't move anything in there. But what that means for people who otherwise wouldn't know or don't care is that now there are drag and drop. There are a lot of things. What the heck is going on? Okay. There are a lot of things that make it easier for non-Drupal developers to build out Drupal sites without having to know anything about code. So this is what I'm building. These are some of the components I was testing out yesterday. And just making sure everything works and that everything is placeable. Right now I'm working on getting all of my components because my goal is different site templates so that nobody is locked into just a single cookie cutter Angel Fire GeoCities type template. And with the great things that Drupal is doing, we now have recipes, so I can put in default content. I can make it so that when you build out a site, you can actually see what it has, what you can do with it before you even start adding content to it. It's great. It's great. If you're interested, if you have any questions about it, let me know. But right now, I am trying to figure out what's going on with this component library that I tried to build with some help. And none of them are loading the way I expect them to. To be perfectly transparent, I am using Claude as a pair programmer, as an assistant, doing some of the menial stuff that I could do, but I just don't want to. Awesome. Thank you for the follow. But let's see what is going on here. Default components. Because I'm not actually seeing dark mode toggle. There's that. Component preview will be loaded here, but it's not. So I'm wondering if it if it built out everything and just expected JavaScript to do stuff. It shouldn't have, because I didn't plan it like that. And this is one of those things that, I let it run, nothing lost, because it's not changing any existing code. But weird things are going on here. Let's see, no prompt, nope. That was it. This is Control, welcome in. All right. Let's see if I can get that. So folks coming in with raid, if you like what you see, feel free to drop a follow.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here.
Let me say that again.
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some raiders.
Welcome in, Stand Error. What is up? You did exit success on the maze. Nice. Are you still making the mazes? That is so cool what you're doing there. Also, anything that you want to share, please, as always, feel free. I was just telling the last raid, I just got raided by Triple B. Not Biners, Binins, and Bives. But no, Bald Bearded Builder. Awesome. And telling everybody about how I'm making a hosting platform for Drupal sites to make life easier to spin up and use Drupal. Oh, good. Everything started up. There's my 7. Great. And not have to worry about the hosting part of it, not have to worry about the coding part of it, just have everything ready. Basically, I'm trying to make Squarespace or Wix, but using open source software where if you want to leave my platform, you can take your data with you. It's open source, download your database, and bye-bye. Not saying that I want people to, but if you outgrow me, I don't want you have to completely start from scratch. So what changed here? What changed? It looks like there was a composer build, but I don't know what exactly was updated, if anything. A lot of stuff on the PHP. Oh, and Captain Krabs, I'm sure I asked you something. We showed off your trailer of Fighter. Looks good. Looks really good. I did complain that you could have come to me for the music. Dum 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 dum. See? But all right, let's go here, and I think that I have panel create up. Here we go. Here's my panel. Let me log out. I don't think that I saved or that I cleared the data, but I do have SSO working. It doesn't work locally with Google because fuck Google. I have to have the local host domain for it to work, but GitHub works just fine. And again, this is all local. When you want, go in to create your site, give it a name, whatever, choose your tier. I'm still working out prices there. Create your site. Wait for it. I'm going to open up the host file just to be ready. Because it is running in Docker, and I'm too lazy to actually just change it so that I could use what the hell. I could actually use dynamic routing here locally, but did that, and boom, there you go. Now you have a site. And then when you're ready, you can add in a custom domain. I tested it. It works. I was doing that on prod. Well, when prod was running, it's still, is it still prod if it's not actually being used in production, or like I don't have people use it? Anyway, so that is the gist of it. And right now, the plan is trying to get a component library. Which I already have a component library, but I also want to have several templates, site templates to start off with. What the hell? Needs to stop asking for this simple stuff. Like, go ahead. You're not changing anything. We're just reading it. And if it doesn't work, I'm just going to clear it out and oh, that is such bullshit. Wait, is that the right prompt? I try to do a good job of organizing them, but I don't think this is the right one. But that's not the one that I did it for. No, not create missing. Neither of these are the right ones. That's the palette. It was there, version 3 of it. Sorry, I'm looking at something on the other screen here. All right, then this is, no, that shouldn't be a GSD prompt. Oh, component library build prompt. Yes, 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 yes. All right, let me see what's going on here. Trying to keep an eye on things and bouncing around quite a bit. Let's go back to the panel so y'all can see what I'm doing here. I do use multiple versions of the Claude. All right, Sander, go enjoy dinner or enjoy making it or whatever you enjoy. I appreciate you coming in. I appreciate the raid. I appreciate you. Just appreciate you. Hope you've been doing well. What is this view called? If I do this, it's just an index. Is this a file? Just a file browser? I think. Yeah, that works. Here, let's do it the easy way. And then what do I have in here? Let's clear that out. So again, this is stuff that I could do like by hand, but look at all these. This is like 70 different components per site template. That would be a lot. Okay, let's get this prompt updated because that's a pain in the ass. But while we're waiting, did I have any? That doesn't look good at all. Um, nothing. It's like it missed a whole. Okay, content types. Which one is this? Parent directory. This is a base. Is it just not showing these? What the hell? Yeah, content types should be here. So let me look at this. It's not getting the right stuff up here. There. Interesting. So I am curious then, what is the difference? I wanted to compare this file, or not this file, but like this, and tell me what styles it's missing. Names, dot 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 dot. It's looking for this file. Component mockups there. Okay, so it's looking here, but all that has is nothing. Um, okay, let's get it ready in here. Rare. The let me take a couple of quick screenshots here to show the difference. Come on, just let me take this there. Actually, no, I don't like that one. Let's take it right. And then the same one over here. There's the services. Why is the community? Oh, okay, this doesn't even matter. Because the community hub looks completely different there. Which one are you? Okay. Then I need to. Oh, pictures, screen caps. Okay. The first image is of the okay. Get that. Let's figure this out. And then while that's buzzing along, it really has all the things here, huh? let's see what it has here. Let's see what it does here. I am also, I might look it, but if not, I am tired as hell. I didn't sleep last night at all. Tried. But brain said no. Okay, so look at these mock-ups here. As long as it keeps the same general styling, I should be able to overwrite in each theme's base CSS or override CSS and see these. That's what doesn't appear to be okay. Okay, so it's going to look at that. Okay, I'm curious what it's going to do here. Can I watch? Can I watch you? Can I watch you do your thing? Oh, almost an hour already? Holy crap. Right. Ting ting, walla walla bing bang. Let's see what's going on over there. All right, so it's writing it out. It's pulling out all the styles here. Yeah, what am I caring about there? All right, so it's pulling out all the styles. Now each of these styles should go in the theme CSS. Not each. All of the styles pulled from the theme mockups files should okay, let's let it finish. Let's see. Well, there's something that I think I might have to do here for a second. Just wait for it. Maybe the other side. Maybe the other side, but then I can't see what I'm doing. Maybe that's for the best. Wait for it. And I'm dropping frames, of course. Right now I would. Wait for it. Are you finished yet? Still going? Still going? Come on, you can do it.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here.
Oh,
Thank
hello.
you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go?
Why?
Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev.
Last one out, toot toot. I know you have another one out. The last one out, toot toot.
Big Amy, what a crazy random happenstance. I didn't suspect this happening at all. Because I was sitting in your stream and I saw a bunch of stuff. But welcome in. Welcome in. Who else came in with you? We got Ella Rain, we got Yogurt Garrel, Eggplant. Shark Geek is here as well. First time chat from Shark Geek. Wow. Turgus, the goose is loose. Freshy is here. Big Amy, Lodoc, Entropic. Wow, everybody's coming to play. Even Science. Even Science. Well, welcome in. Welcome in, everybody. Oh, Big Amy's leaving. Heh. In that case, I got something to show you all. For anybody who wasn't around yesterday. Did I download it here? Anybody who wasn't in Big Amy's stream yesterday, who missed it.
Oh my goodness. Quick and see. How are we? If I didn't give the roll back. If I didn't give the roll back.
It's your boy, Skinny Penis.
Exclamation point penis. Exclamation point
This is what you missed yesterday in Big Amy's stream.
Exclamation point penis.
This is what you missed.
Quick and see if there is in fact a way.
This is the point where he decided, oh, I need to cancel all the blurps.
Yes, I'm not going to play this.
And then we found ways around it.
It reloaded the blur. Yes, I'm not going to play this. That run rampant is work.
Where are the good ones?
Well, apparently, at least until I can get on this JD to
Where is the
about
one?
having
There is one here. Let's find
Hit.
Joe, get that fuck.
What should we do next?
Wait, that was one. There was a good one.
Let's take a look.
Doesn't fit.
I will put
Joe,
a link.
get that fucking penis out of my mouth.
That was one of them.
Dugsoft. Surely. What? The detention of the class.
It was a good time. It's a good time. And now it will live on in
It's
infamy.
happening all the time. At least, I mean, to be honest, all the time, Jenny. Now, we paused blur for that.
But I can't find the one that I definitely want.
Video. I will say, so down now.
I'm watching the chat to see
if that
to
makes
see
any difference.
where it is.
Moderation.
I think this might be it.
Available.
In the butt? I said what? In the butt. You want to do it in my butt? In my butt?
The face. Oh, you can't even see his face. Oh no! How dare I? There.
Do it in my butt. I said what? In the 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 butt. You wanna do it in my butt? In my butt.
The rage. Humming. Because if he wasn't humming, he would be screaming.
See if that makes any difference. They won't get a detention while the rest of us watch it burn. Okay, so live for it. I
Keep
will put
something
the link
like
in
this under
chat.
your desk. It like doesn't fit.
Blurb. I having. Does it does? I mean, to be honest, Jay. Okay, the quickest way to figure out is. So my coffee cup.
Which one was this? I think this was a desperate attempt to.
dead sexy. Look at my sexy body.
All right, and let's see if I can find more here. Did one reappear?
Beep 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 beep.
I'm a bad friend, but I admit it.
I don't know how it feels. A bit. It's funny sometimes. Blah blah. But
Trying to find the one. Yes, this one. This.
If you whip your penis out and turkey stuff your dinky tip hole with a chunk of refined plutonium, then grab your dinky and start helicopter schmeat spinning your plutonium stuffed wiener around like an Olympic hammer throw.
This was the end of it. I'm sure, or I'm surprised that he didn't just flip a table and run out. Anyway, welcome in, Raiders. That's enough embarrassing for now. Well, he's gone. Shh. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer professionally. On stream, I usually do game dev, but right now I'm working on a hosting platform for Drupal sites. If you're interested, here it is. Let me give you a quick demo. Where are we? Here we go. All right, let me sign out. This is all local. So I've got SSO working, single sign-on, so you don't even have to directly register. Excuse me. I'm going to use my GitHub account. Sign in. Let's create a site. Let's call it this. Select the plan. Create site. Wait. Boom. You have a website. Now, because I'm on a local environment here and I'm too lazy to make it so that I can have dynamic domains locally, I'm doing this. Open up. And congratulations, give your site a name. You're done. That's all it takes to create a website. Then from here, you can choose a template. I'm actually working on several different templates right now, like artist, video content creator, indie game dev, just some of the templates I'm working on. And where do we go? But I'm going to choose Byte, which is a pre-made theme template that comes with Drupal right now. Let's just do the. It's going to tell me it's an insecure password because 12345 is. No, I'm not going to save it. And then we just let it install after you choose everything that you want to have chosen. I am using Claude to help out with quite a bit, but here's an example of a lot of the components that I'm putting in here that can be used. Let me do a quick refresh. Boom, boom. There we go. Maybe not. But you can build things out. Oh, 40. Holy shit. Thank you. You can build things out the way that you want. Captain Crabs, that you have no idea how much that means to me. seriously, that's a lot. And I appreciate you. More than you know, my friend. More than you know. So because I am using Claude as a pair programmer, I'm having it write up a few different things that I need it to help me finish out or is that a word? I'm having it do the stuff that I'm too lazy to do. I'm having it do the repetitive stuff, like creating or taking all of these components that I've made and put them into a style guide. See all these folders that I'm scrolling through, going in a style guide so that I can have a better view of all of them individually and see how they look in different themes. Now this is something I'm going to kind of use it. Well, actually the ads are coming up and I need to run to the restroom. So I will explain this a little bit more once I get back in about 3 minutes. If you're here, if you haven't followed yet, please, now's a great time to do it. If you're here, if you haven't subbed yet, it's always a great time to sub. But I will be back in just a couple minutes and hopefully you will too. Okay, and there it was. Brian got a guitar stream. Ooh, breaking the pot. Golden skeleton, he must have taken a golden shower. So, yeah. I need a magnet or a suck train. I'm having a hard time understanding the best way to pull this out. But I don't want to be probed without giving consent. Oh. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. Then you bro. There. That's a skill that you learned. Repeat. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Look at that. Where's that other one hiding? Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. Why so tiny? That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? Oh. Fuck. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Crabs. Captain Crabs. Let's see here, and let's check something. Ooh. And I'm gonna do a really quick. So for anybody who watches Let's Game It Out, one of my favorite things that he does is there a limit? All right, back. Hope everybody stuck around. Thank you for those of you who aren't subbed for supporting the stream by sticking around for the ads. Thank you for those of you who are subbed by supporting the stream by subbing. And if you got turbo, thank you for supporting by just being here. I appreciate y'all.
Odious just
City,
subscribed for
City.
16 months. City.
Thank you, Odious. Speaking of amazing subs, Odious, thank you so much for the continued support. 16 months. Holy crap. Has it been that long? Wow. Just wow. That's all I got. Thank you. All right. So updated this. I'm going to get rid of the component mockups now so it doesn't have anything bad to look at. I want to make sure that these look right. No. No, none of them. None of them. What is going on here? Variables, reset, typography, layout. Okay, so wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, it's not going to work because none of these are defined. Okay, that makes sense. So this is looking for CSS base forms layout tokens. No. All right. We got to fix this. We got to fix this in several places. It's going to be the easiest way to do all 18 of these files. Guess the easiest way is going to be, honestly, just automating it to a point. Where are we at? What was the thing? Yeah, never mind this. Uh-oh. Okay. I thought something broke. Where? No. Where? With what? At okay. We got this. This is gonna make things a little bit better. Also, let me get rid of that. I want to see the live chat over on the YouTube side. Yes, I am streaming on YouTube. If you're feeling so kind, if you happen to be, scrolling over there and want to give a thumbs up over that way to help with the algorithm. That would be greatly appreciated because you're amazing people. Let's see. You gonna do this? You gonna fix this? Do the thing. Do the thing. What? What do you mean? Boxes, welcome back. Good to see you. It's going well. Things are going really well, actually. Aside from Claude deciding that it's going to error out on me here. Let's see. Yeah, that's probably a better idea. Let me see here. Tokens-based layout forms. Yep. How you been, Epoxys? Tricky. Sure. You got here first. As always. Whatever makes you happy. As the spin doctors say, little miss can't be wrong. Can I just yes all of these? Yes and can't be wrong. Do one of these rock and roll songs. Right, so we got that. Yes. Doing good. Harun Pasha, welcome in. First time chat. That is an interesting emote. I haven't seen it. Welcome in. How are you this fine evening? Tricky, life is improv. Everything we do is improv. Every conversation that we have. What's Elsbeth? And I'm not saying that like facetiously. I really have no idea what it is. Improv is something that I'm really interested in, but I live too far from the city to take classes. I mean, I would love a group of friends or a class to play some Zip Zap Zop, but it's hard to do on, while streaming. Like if I go zip, zip, zap. See, I just have to pretend. It doesn't work. And it pisses you off. But I've got, I'm actually reading through this and it's got some solo exercises. Um, all right, let me see here. Apex Consulting. Oh, this looks like shit. Okay, what is going on here? Inspect. Navbar. This, oh. Okay, okay. Now, can I, File Explorer? This is what it should be. This is what it is. What it should be, what it is. What's the difference here? Navbar. Boom. Okay, I don't see anything there. Computed. Font size, that's a thing. Fixed. Height. Where's height set? Height is probably set by the children. And what about you? You've got pretty much all the same things. Navbar inner. Display flex. Padding. Spacing MD is not defined. Why not? Why not? Okay, so then if it's not defined, we've got defined why it's not defined.
Do it! Just
I'm trying.
do it! Do it! Just do it!
Okay, so tokens should be here. Let's look. We've got Z index fixed. Spacing medium, that should be a token here. Okay, okay. What was it? What was that called? Tokens. Oh, hey, I named it right. Free GBay tokens. Oh, hello there. Not a whole lot. How you doing, JVA? How you doing? Them design tokens from Trio Kuro. Okay. What? Boxes, thank you. Thank you for the 100 biddies. They'll drop on down. And I guess there might be dinosaurs showing. Maybe. I don't see them. I wish I did see them, but I see dinosaurs. I see a dinosaur. Thank you. Themes. Custom. Get up. Base. Mockups. Plan out how to convert the mockups into chicken tendies, dino nuggies. They make vegan dino nuggies. I haven't gotten to the point of missing childhood so much that I picked up a bag of Impossible Dino Nuggies. I've thought about it. Believe me, I've been in Whole Foods before, just being like, nah. Then I end up getting the spicy ones because they don't make spicy dinos. How what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come up with something right now. You, my little hungry one. Hungry one. Open up a package of this bologna. I don't know. Impossible Foods doesn't have spicy dino nuggies. I don't look at Tyson. I'm vegan. No meat has entered this body in any way. Which was quite the fun experience at our last offsite. I don't know if the last offsite was actually really good, and we've got so we did the last offsite in September, and we're doing this year's in May. But at the last one, it was right after we had switched between our different PEOs. So we went from Rippling to JustWorks, and I'd put all my info in the old one that had like, dietary stuff and, what kind of accommodations do you request, blah, 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 blah. Get to Costa Rica. I didn't eat for the first day and a half because couldn't find anything. And when I requested something, like, no, I asked for just, can you just give me noodles with no cheese and no sauce? Just noodles. Maybe toss some mushrooms on them. Brought me noodles covered in big creamy sauce. Okay, send me some fries. Not at the hour that I was like to the point where I'm starving. There were some all you can eat places, but none of them were able to answer, is this vegan? None of them. until the company that we went through to like set up everything. Finally, she put her foot down and she's like, this needs to be fixed. You need to figure something out because this guy needs to eat. Like, I would like to eat, please. And then, I go out to the ocean and I see all the people in much better shape than me. And I rethink my decision. I don't need to eat, please. So this year should be much gooder. From what I heard, Cancun was kind of a mess with the person arranging all the travel. We're not using her anymore. The company last year, well, we're booking our own travel. But the company that is like handling all the event stuff on site is really good. I hope this isn't the like acapella version. It is. Let me add this to the playlist too. Then add to queue. There we go. There we go. I want to hear it right. Yeah, I mean, Drupal isn't. I want to do the option B canonically. Drupal isn't doing as well as I'd like it to do, but it's still doing great. We're still, getting sales, but I'm trying to make sure that I'm making myself useful in other avenues. House. The hell am I doing here? Let's just wait. I don't even remember what I requested over here. Oh, yep. Never mind. Never mind. Hey, I appreciate it. I'm looking. I'm trying to do more, DevRel type stuff. I don't know what you're trying to do here. Let's stop. Oh, clear context, auto accept edits. This should be a pretty straightforward. Yes. Okay. Yep, I could live with this. So what I did with this, with the theme, with the theme, I just really didn't like. Well, I don't like Tailwind, so if I can avoid it at all, I will. But I ended up saying, hey, do me a favor and strip out Tailwind and make it all work. Just make it work. Make it cleaner so that I'm not in Tailwind class hell. Well, that's what I'm doing with this. I'm like, you will do BEM. You will do BEM or you will be fired. Tailwind's fine for what it's for, but when you start getting into like 25 classes just to center a div, yeah, classes lose all meaning. I mean, if you think about it to a point, because there's more bytes in the HTML. Epoxis, yes. Tailwind says to do something like that, but nobody does. Okay, not nobody. Most don't. I think is a better thing. Here, let me show you. This is here. Let me just find a button. Just a button. And this is only part of it. It's this plus one of these plus one of these plus all the that's why I said, hey, I'm gonna copy this theme, but I want you to take Tailwind out of it and give me something I can read. I just like when I started this project, I just learned about CSS layers. I didn't know about them because why would I? I hadn't had a reason to deal with them. And ooh, CSS layers, really? That's a thing? I could do custom properties? What? I built a lot of Drupal themes, but not in a long time. Not in a very long time. I usually do the backend stuff or the integration. Like the last job that I had where I actually had to build out themes. The front end knew enough to work with Twig, and they made the templates very straightforward to where all I had to do was get into the Drupal and like find out which variables had to replace whatever dummy content they had put in there. I was spoiled. No two ways about it. I was definitely spoiled. Okay, it's checking all these. Great. Variables are being converted. Yes. Yes. Now, in a perfect world, this should now all be in. Wait, which one are you? Your base. Container XL, spacing 4, spacing 6. I think this is right. Let me check, double check here. Yep, looking good. So I should. There we go. Not perfect, but we've got a lot. There we go. Yes. Yes. Button's a little bit weak. Button's just a little bit weak there. That is not what I wanted to do. Button padding Y, button padding X, not defined. Ooh. Okay. Where was that? This is here. Business service contact. Okay, contact. This is fine. Button padding Y, button padding X. Okay, let's find out what's going on here. Might just be easier if shadow. No. Where's my button? Lie. Spacing 4. Spacing 4 is 1 rem, so I'm going to put that at spacing 1.5. That's what needs to change here. Let's see. Oh, that looks a lot better. But the color does not. Color primary hover, color primary hover. All right, so what do I have here? Button hover, color primary. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh. Um, what is this? Then I'm brain dead right now. Background color primary hover border color. Um, let's see. Oh, nope. That's not a var. That's not a var. Why'd you let me do that? Hmm. Okay, let's see. I don't like that. I don't like that. Um, but I kind of feel like the text should also. Hey, Little Drummer Jay, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Other than that, it's looking not bad. RCB, welcome in as well. Get back here. Let me undo.
Long, long,
Oh, button padding needs to be fixed. What were they before? Button padding X, button padding Y. Oh, butt padding. Button padding Y, button padding X, and color primary hover. Is it color primary or primary color? Don't exist in the tokens. No, yeah, HG base. Where the hell are we right now? Okay, what the hell was that all about? That was, ooh, and I'm dropping frames too, because why not? Okay, let's see. What are we doing? I have accept edits so that you don't keep asking me. God damn. Okay. Mm, I think I can live with that. I think that makes sense. Maybe. Maybe. So once I get all these standardized, then it should be relatively easy to use the same components over and over in different themes and just overwrite the design tokens. I'm also working on trying to make sure that customers aren't locked into a single look and feel of a theme. So I'm hoping to get some different palettes so that they can select a site template and then have the ability to change out the colors as well. Oh, good. You're checking the undefined variables. Way to go. Way to go. I don't know how long I'm going to last tonight, though. I am already feeling the tiredness. I still need to do quite a bit. I still need to finish writing my talk. Oh, well, it's pretty much written. I just need to finish building it. What do we got here? Usage. Let me just make sure that I'm not. Oh, I'm good. Ish. What else going on over there? My God, come on. All right. While this is happening, Okay, let's go back and check here. Boom. Okay, we got that. Don't work, but fine. All right, that's much better. That is much better. I like it. I like it. Yep. We're gonna make these number go up or things like that. Boom. Linky, linky. Yep. Great. Now, did it work on others? Okay. Let's see. Great. Yep, this is good. In the mockups, it's all fine. Okay, there's root. What happens when I take away dark? I want to see what the text primary. Then what are you? Color foreground. And then this is probably color foreground as well, right? Okay, we need to make sure that dark works on these darker themes. Especially on the button here. But we can do that. That's fine. Now, clear. Let's check this. What do we got? Mockup library. Let's see. Mr. Situation X, welcome in. Good to see you. How you doing tonight? That's right. Okay, we're running some planning agents. Then we'll do this. Well, I appreciate that. RCB, do I do dev chat? Ooh. I don't know. I don't know. Right now, I feel like all I do is just nod my head and try to stay awake. Dun, 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 dun.
JDDoesDev's games are so well optimized, they make quantum computers jealous of regular hardware.
Do y'all hear it at the end of it when if there's a exclamation point, there's that last hardware. Hardware. Like a weird hiccup. To the danger zone. Right into the danger zone. All right. Clear picture. Launch a plan. Now, while that's going, I want to wait a minute. What? Wait, what? Why the hell was it doing that? No, I didn't want to do that. All I'm asking is 15. Oh, well. Thank you for the follow, JDDoesDev. Hope you're doing well. Appreciate you being here. Okay, next stop here is going to be you. Let's connect here. Let's see what you got. Dang it. Dang it. I want you to be the one that is connected. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Good. Gee, let's see what's going on here. What did I see? Oh, I thought I saw something there. Okay. Critical files. No, I want all the mockups. Use specification. Yep, there. Let's just check one thing here. CSS variables be as closely. No, not even give the option. Okay, see you there. Have you initialized? Stop spying on me. Okay, Claude. Nope, 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 no. I invited you to spy on me? Yeah, I invited you. Strategy. Want to build out the sure. Normalize. I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back. $14 in, and this is what I've accomplished. Yeah. Help me. Some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. This is why you don't let the good overlay happen. It's been a bad idea since the get-go, and now I've just found a way to make it even worse. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the Captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
The Mailroom, coming soon to a nightmare near you. My head. It's my head. It's so big. Okay, I'm back. RCB, sorry to get some bad news. Ooh, the enchilada song. Someday I need to find that. I know you took another clip of the clip. But I need to remember. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. RCB, not likely. We're not really hiring right now. I wish I could say that. Yeah, come on. But infra, dashboard. Wait, no, I want to change that. I want to change it. Living in America. Hand across the nation. Sorry, when James Brown gets on, I just can't help. Yep, we fire that. That's good. Okay, yep, we got this. Copy that. Components, forgot that. Oh, 45. What? That's component CSS files. What's up, man? I don't know. How you doing? Wait, what? Doing all right. Doing all right. Things are moving here. Wait, MySQL, delete tenant database. What? Why is this changing here? This is not part of what I asked. That's account. Well, this is account TS. But okay. Okay. Seems like it works. Okay, did that. Do it. I'll allow that. Hey, Ryan, welcome back. Friday, I'm in love. Okay, so if we're pulling in, you just change that to pull this in, remove that. Yeah, we did that. Okay, I can get down with an import. Can't rip Monday's black. Tuesday, Wednesday, heart attack. Hate it when you pull this shit. Yeah, we're gonna need to fix that. Fix the I want to. Oh no, we're getting close to the context. It's gonna compact. Right on, Ryan. Good luck. Tuesday, Wednesday, break my heart. Why is this? Oh, right on. Treat yourself. That's what you need to be doing. Every once in a while, it's a good thing to do. I hate a rainy night. Bye-bye, Eddie. Ooh. I like this one. You know, anybody who's watching over on YouTube is like, what? What's this dude talking about? Because I can't hear music. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. The type definitions. And not Express. Express. Uh, Praxis. I honestly don't know. The saxophone is every week. The other ones are when I get there. I don't really reset unless like I hit one and then maybe. What do we got here? Okay. Wait, did you compact already? Julian, welcome in. Thank you for a first time chat. So you're a junior. What are you learning? What kind of stuff you learning? I've been always on time. Use, download, added. I was reading that. Why did you scroll up? Dependency, okay. There we go. Let's try to rebuild here. And yeah, that one. What? Ooh, Curtis Blow. These are the breaks. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's get back here. Come on, get spun up. We're gonna delete the site. We're gonna delete the one that I started up. Export. Oop, here we go. Did it take away? Did it get out of there? Is my sighting gone? Sighting is gone. Now I can compose down, and then we're going to rebuild. I can rebuild it. I can make it stronger. Locker, build, prune first. Because the dangling cache is too much. Look at all this. Where does it all come from? Especially this one, the VCR, not VCR. Look at all these zeros. Okay, npm install, cache clean. There we go. It's got everything. So we've got everything cached there. Perfect. We're looking for the control panel and API should be the ones that are getting changed here. All right. So we got that. Then what's going on over here? Mm-hmm. Control panel. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got that. Okay, Docker Compose is building. Great. DC. Oh, nope. Um. There we go. Nope, I don't think it's here. It's just, yep. There we go. Docker, nope. Yes. DCU. Yeah, shortcuts, saving time. All right, okay, it looks like it's doing what I'm expecting it to do. I hope so. I really hope so. Let me check the folder here. These all the breaks. Okay, this works. This seems to be working. All right, that we're just updating the. All right. To make sure that we are getting the fonts in here. That's that. Where would it be? Default. No. Style guide. Okay, this is working. This is working. Text. Yep, so we got all the base stuff here. Themes right there. Perfect. Where can my Google fonts live? I don't see any font faces. Where do those? Got to check these and find out where they are. Find out where exactly they are hiding. Unless, oh, no, not you. Okay. You're working hard. And a little bit longer than I expected, but that's fine. All right, here, boom. Reset account. Account. Oh. Okay. What do we got here? What do we got here? This is our and so what the hell is it? The account status badge look bad. All right. Well, I'm looking at that. Let me. Right. So these look fine. That looks fine. That is very subtle. It looks fine. Can't change the email, contact support. Well, guess what? I'm support and I say no. Let's see. Oh, I can't because I have I did SSO. So that won't work. Which is cool. Which is cool. I'm fine with that. Okay, check that. And then I want to check as well the side menu active text color is difficult to read. Yes, yes. I'm actually working on the privacy policy and all that too. I'm getting those written up. But there's going to be a minimal PII that I have access to. I'm putting the responsibility on the customer for what they keep on their site. So I'm not responsible for what customers have on their sites, what their privacy policies are. But yeah, I'm trying to do everything as by the book as possible. But payments going through Lemon Squeezy, so I'm not saving anything there. The only thing that I'll really have is name, email address. And, as grows, maybe phone number or things like that. But I'm trying to keep as little PII as possible. And I am going to try to talk to an actual human attorney before I press the go button, just to make sure that I'm covering my ass. Pick that up. Pick that up. Pick that up. Now I want to do something a lot different here. I don't like the way this looks. I think the text is a little bit too small. I think it looks too plain. I want it to, I want the new site to feel more like a wizard. I want there to be some nice CSS effects, animations. Let's see. Okay. Yep, crap. Did it wrong. Did it wrong. Maybe it won't shut down. Maybe. How are you doing over here? Yep. Get going. Okay, everything's up and running, it looks like. Oh. Okay, that's much better. That's better. Oh, account status. No. Go away. How does it look in light? Oh, I've got the button here. I've got the button. It looks fine like that. I don't like it like that. Okay, and screenshots. Oh. Nope, that is not right either. Let's. Do I need to do it through here? Yep. Okay, that seems to be moving. You dropped a bomb on me. Then on the server, I want to set up a cron job. How's it working out for no CSS? What do you mean? Because I'm having to do quite a bit of CSS. But there is a no sorries. That's why I'm clarifying. For CSS, it's decent for the most part, but it's very generic. So there is a skill that I started using. And let me show you the difference here. Let me save this real quick. So no. Okay, maybe I'll show the difference. Are you on this browser? Maybe I don't have it open. No big deal. Oh. All right, so first I'll show you the site, the first site that it spat out. And I just wanted to get something out there. This is pretty generic. This is what Claude does, or any of the bots. This is what the site looks like. And Duct Tape DevOps was showing me one of his sites, and it was the same thing. It looks almost exactly like this. So I installed the front end design plugin and said make it unique. And it did that. Ooh, I need to update. I need to update all this. And this is using Astro, which seems really, really nice. I am a fan. So I'm hoping to use it actually when I want to. I don't like the way that the dashboard looks now. It just doesn't feel good. Like there's a lot that can be done that could be a lot better looking. I'm not sure how. I think maybe in the what? Like this could be in tabs or something. I don't know. The danger zone. I want danger zone to be a modal. That's just fine. I think this would be kind of a better wizard, like site details, then plan, then create. And let's look at account. That is much better. That is so much better. There are a lot of changes here. I'm going to change. Okay. Lots of stuff here. That's on the Drupal repo. Okay, that's on the Drupal repo. That makes more sense. Push you up. Oh, I'm actually getting close to my limit here. I think this is the first time that I've gotten close to the limit since I went to the max plan. Thinking mode. Yes. Hey, welcome in over on YouTube. Good to see you. Okay, that's still moving. Yep. Yep. Looks like they were just what? They were just updated. A couple plans were updated here, or a couple skills were. Do I really need to compact? I could probably just. Oh. There, let's do that. Let's do that. Don't be surprised, girl. If you want to leave, take good care. If you meet a lot of nice friends out there. Yeah, sure. Here, let me do that. Let me show the link, which it should come over there. Yep. So I'm building a software as a service Drupal hosting platform. The key thing is that it is to make hosting Drupal simple. It's to make hosting Drupal friendly and headache free. The goal is that you go in, you spin up a site, and you can build it out with whatever content you want in under 10 minutes. Give me a couple seconds here, and I will give you a quick demo of it. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. So that is something that I'm working towards. That might be down the roadmap. Or are you gonna make it? Are you gonna make it? Are we gonna get through this? I don't know if we're gonna get through this. Is it? Oh, I'm at 90%. I'm at 90%. I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, so here's a dashboard. This is all local. This is all local for example only. Ah. So let me even sign out. So I've got SSO working right now. This is local. Continue with GitHub. Sign in. I don't have any sites. All right, let's go in here. I'm going to call it my site. Select whichever. Create site. We spin it up. And boom, there's a Drupal site for you. All right, since I'm lazy and keep forgetting to do this, just need to update the host file here. Open site. And boom, there you go. You have a Drupal site. Less than 2 minutes, you have a Drupal site that you can work on. You can start installing. Now, this is where the things get really powerful. Is I'm working on several site templates. That's what I'm actually building out right now. The different site templates. I'm going to choose Byte. We're going to hit next. And the different templates have everything that you need to get started. They have example content. They have all the components. They have everything, different modules that you need to get going, SEO modules, everything. So let me just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, I know it's insecure. It's local. Read local. So it takes a little bit for the actual Drupal installation to go, but you have a working Drupal site. So while that's running, I'm going to cross my fingers that we don't run out of our credits and have to wait. Install motion, create bold aesthetic direction. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. How much credit? Right now, I mean, I've been working for a while, tonight, but right now I'm getting close to my limit for the $100 plan. So I might drop off here because I am exhausted also. Uh, but I might deploy my new homepage here. You know, I don't have any docs yet. Nothing in there, but we will. I want to get rid of these icons too. These are dead giveaways that I used Claude. These emotes. Oh, okay. Right, let's see. Are we looking over here? Gonna have to wait till 10 o'clock because it's doing all these and I have to do all these for each theme unless it can extend them. Oh, this one's gonna be painful. And let's see. Usage. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Okay, I'm turning off the extra usage because I don't have any money in it. I don't want it to start charging me. Um, escape, exit. Where are we at? Create motion TS. Why is this not showing up in the IDE like I was expecting it to? Okay. Okay. Do that. When's it going to yell at me? When is it going to yell at me? No, Gora, it's probably for the best because like I did not sleep last night at all. I tried to, but 2 o'clock rolled around. And I'm still just laying there like, why? Brain shut down. Brain, just please. No, I don't need to think about that thing that I did in high school that nobody else is thinking about or nobody even remembers. That was really embarrassing. Yes, I cut my own hair, but we don't need to think about that right now, brain. We don't need to think about that. Nobody even knows who I am from high school anymore. Yes, brain. I do remember that I pissed my pants in preschool. Why are you bringing that up now? Grant, I started about a month ago. I do need a break. I need to get some sleep. I want to. This is about to wrap up for me. Let's take a look at this, and since it's not, oh damn it. Let's see the overwrites. We're getting a lot of stuff as long as none of the functionality dies. I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It has told me to be done. It has spoken. It is decided. And it won't reset for another 2 hours. It is decided that I will now take that break. Let me see this thing. No. Where have I not been in a while? We're gonna figure out the aha. Aha, I know where we're going. All right, we're gonna round out. Over on YouTube, I appreciate y'all, but you can't come